Welcome to the top best. The best craft frames is probably one of the most versatile and aesthetically pleasing ways to display your cherished memories, artwork, or important documents, offering a unique blend of protection and visual appeal that traditional frames often lack. These innovative frames are designed to not only safeguard your items from dust, moisture, and fading but also to enhance their presentation with customizable options and a modern, clean look that complements any decor. Whether you're a seasoned crafter looking for the perfect way to showcase your latest project or someone wanting to add a personal touch to your home or office, craft frames provide an elegant and durable solution that truly makes your displayed items stand out. Number 5. Purple Ladybug DIY Mosaic Photo Frame Crafts for Girls. Discover the Purple Ladybug DIY Mosaic Photo Frame Crafts Kit, perfect for girls aged 6 and up. It's a fantastic way to get creative and make something beautiful. This complete kit provides a wooden frame, shimmering mother of pearl shells, glue, and a spreader. Everything is right here to help you create a stunning, personalized frame. Adorn your frame with genuine mother of pearl shells. Their luminous, multicolor shine will make your creation truly unique, allowing you to express your personal style. Crafting is a breeze with our child-friendly glue and spreader. It's a safe, non-toxic, and mess-free experience, perfect for creating indoors. This engaging activity helps develop fine motor skills, color recognition, and planning. It's a fun introduction to art and design that sparks creativity. Looking for a special gift? This craft kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for creative girls aged 6 to 12. They'll love making and displaying their own masterpiece. What we like? This kit offers a unique crafting experience with genuine mother of pearl shells, providing a luminous and multicolor shine. It includes everything needed for a stunning, personalized mosaic frame, ensuring a safe and mess-free activity. If you're looking for a creative and engaging project for kids aged 6 and up that results in a beautiful keepsake, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The kit comes with everything needed to decorate the frame, and the colorful mosaic pieces are fun and easy to use. The finished frame looks adorable and feels sturdy enough to actually display. The wooden frame feels sturdy and works perfectly for both 4x6 and 5x7 photos, and the genuine mother of pearl shell pieces are beautiful. They have a natural, shimmery, multicolor shine that really makes the finished frame look special and high quality. Number 4. STTMGN Magnetic Picture Frames, 4x6, 10-pack. Introducing our magnetic picture frames, designed for effortless photo display. Simply slide your favorite 4x6 photos into these clear pockets. Make your memories unforgettable by adding your signature to the black border. These frames offer a simple way to personalize your cherished moments. Perfect for showcasing your favorite 4x6 photos, postcards, or even small artworks. Share your special moments with family, friends, and classmates. These magnetic frames are ideal for refrigerators, metal whiteboards, office cabinets, and school lockers. Decorate any metal surface with ease. This pack includes 10 magnetic photo frames, making them a great bulk gift. They are perfect for decorating parties and special occasions like birthdays and holidays. What we like? These frames offer a super convenient way to display your favorite 4x6 photos with a strong magnetic back, perfect for refrigerators or lockers. The easy insert design and clear PVC cover protect your pictures while allowing for dual-sided display or even personalization with a marker. If you want a quick and easy way to decorate your home or office with photos, or need a bulk gift for parties, these are ideal. What people say. The frames are well made and sturdy, perfect for displaying my artwork. I love the variety of sizes and styles available, making it easy to find the perfect fit for any project. The included mounting hardware is a nice touch, saving me a trip to the store. Number 3. Juvale Unfinished Wood Crafts Blank Signs, pack of 48. Discover endless possibilities with these versatile wooden signs. They are perfect for artists and hobbyists looking to paint, stain, or engrave their unique designs. Crafted from high-quality poplar plywood, these pieces are sturdy yet lightweight. Their smooth surface is ideal for easy customization and long-lasting projects. Use them for personalized home decor, distinctive party supplies, or even business signage. These signs offer unmatched flexibility for any event or project. Each sign provides generous space for intricate designs and detailed artwork. The included jute string makes them easy to hang, adding convenience to your creative process. This comprehensive set includes 48 wooden banner flags, perfect for large projects or multiple crafting sessions. They invite creativity and innovation at every turn. What we like? You get a massive pack of 48 unfinished wood signs, made from durable poplar, ready for your creative touch. Their generous size and smooth surface make them perfect for painting, engraving, or staining for a wide range of projects. If you're a hobbyist, artist, or planning a large event like a wedding or party and need a versatile base for custom decor, this bulk set is an excellent value. What people say? They come ready to use, no need to sand, just paint and go. Very good quality. Very nice looking and sturdy. Used for kids' crafts. Very excited about this product. The size is true and the thickness is good. Overall quality good, look good. Also used for a number of products and will order again. Number 2. Colorations. Decorate your own standing wooden frames. Get ready to personalize your memories with our customizable wooden frames. They're perfect for any occasion, adding a unique touch to your cherished photos. This multi-pack of 12 frames is ideal for group activities. Whether it's a classroom, a scout troop, or a birthday celebration, everyone can join in the fun. Decorating is a breeze. Use markers, paint, stickers, glitter, or anything else you can imagine to make each frame truly one of a kind. These frames are designed to stand up and showcase your photos beautifully. You can display them either horizontally or vertically, adapting to your space and style. Craft with confidence. Our products are non-toxic and made from quality materials, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience for everyone. What we like? This set provides 12 standing wooden frames, each ready to be transformed with paint, markers, stickers, or gems. They are designed to easily hold 4 by 6 inch photos and can stand either horizontally or vertically, making them a fun and safe activity. If you need a multipack for a classroom, party, or just want a fun DIY project for multiple people, these frames are a great option. What people say? Now I pull out a frame anytime my 2-year-old wants to paint or glue shapes, and we have a nice little collection going for Christmas coming up. I am a professional photographer, so I did photos of each family member with my toddler to put in the frames she makes for them. It's perfect. My daughter and her friends decorated the frames for her birthday party and everyone loved it. Number 1. Juvale Cardstock Picture Frames, 4x6 in, Multicolor, 50 pack. Create distinctive paper picture frames for friends and family on special occasions. They are ideal for wedding decor and party favors, making them perfect for picture frame crafts for kids. Customize these blank cardboard photo frames using crayons, markers, paints, and stickers. These colorful paper frames provide an engaging activity for children's craft frames. Made from high-quality cardboard, these frames include an attached stand. This allows for easy display of 4x6 inch photos both horizontally and vertically. Each frame accommodates 4x6 inch photos with a display window of 3.5 by 5.2 inches. The total frame size is 4.7 by 7 inches, making them perfect for various settings. This set includes 50 colorful frames in 10 vibrant colors like yellow and purple. They are perfect for kids' craft frames projects or as a colorful addition to any photo display. What we like? This is a huge pack of 50 colorful cardstock frames, perfect for a variety of DIY and classroom craft projects. They are easy to customize with crayons, markers, or paints and come with an attached stand for easy display of 4 by 6 inch photos. If you're looking for an affordable and vibrant way to create personalized photo displays for kids' craft, parties, or school events, this bulk set is fantastic. What people say? They're made out of good quality cardstock and stand up well. Colors are pretty and don't run. Who knew? These cardstock frames are such a fun and easy project. Colors are vibrant and the cardstock is sturdy and thick. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.